What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Tauheedah Hawkins here. Guys, for today's product review, I will be covering the Holy Veggie Ranch Cauliflower Wings. Let's get into this, y'all. I thought the breading on the cauliflower was dynamite. I was so here for it. I mean, cauliflower, it's pretty straightforward, so I don't have to really talk about the taste on that. Now, for the ranch dressing, I'm gonna be real, y'all. It wasn't a total dud, but it also wasn't like slam, bam, thank you, ma'am, flavor capital. Texture-wise, I love the crispness on the breading. Slam dunk on that one. These bad boys come in at $5.98, so it's not crazy. I grabbed them at Walmart, so you can definitely go there. You can definitely go to Target. You could also go to Sprouts. Cook time, y'all, there's two different recommendations that they have. So for starters, you could definitely throw these guys in your air fryer at 400 degrees from 12 to 15 minutes, or you could use an oven or a toaster oven at 425 for 23 to 25 minutes. Now, full disclosure, y'all, they also recommend that you flip them at the halfway mark. I found when I went to try to flip them, they were not coming up. As a matter of fact, some of the batter was coming off. So I said, no, we can't do that. I'm gonna just leave these bad boys and let them rock, right? So I let them cook for an additional, I wanna say, cause I initially was like, cause I wanted to let mine go for like 25 minutes initially. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stop at like the 12-minute mark and then let them go for 13 minutes, right? And so I did that, and then I looked at them and I said, you know what? I want a little more color on them. So I wound up letting them go for 30 minutes instead. And I was definitely satisfied. As a matter of fact, I let them cool a few minutes like they recommend as well. And they came up no problem, and everything was intact, just like I needed them to be. You know what I mean? So I felt like that extra time was actually cool, and I'm happy that I didn't stress the idea of like trying to flip them and force my hand on that. In closing, I think that although the ranch was, again, not a good play for me, it does get the job done. I mean, if you just absolutely feel like you need to eat these guys with it, go for it. But I do really like this company. Even though the ranch was not a win for me, like, that's in no way, shape, or form gonna indicate like whether or not I move forward with another product offering that they have. So anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.